Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this lesson, we will learn to write a program to prompt user for two integers, and then we are going to save those values into our variables and compute the sum and print out the result. Now first I will add our main function. Int main and the start and end of main, and inside our main function I will declare variables int num1 and initialize it to 0. This is a variable of a data type int and variable name is num1. And now I'm going to declare a second variable of data type int. Its name is num2 and set to value 0. And then I will have our variable name result of data type int and also initialize to 0. This result variable will have a sum of num1 and num2. Now I'm going to prompt user for data input. We'll use std cout to print the message. Please enter first value. Now read our first integer from user into num1 variable by using std cin into num1. Do same for the second variable, std cout please enter second value. Over here I'm using a standard library cin to read input from a user and the extraction operator to save that value into our variable num1. We'll do the same for the second variable, std cin, and save it to num2. And now I'm going to add these two numbers and store the sum in our result variable. Be result, and then num1 plus num2, and I'm going to print out the result by using std cout, and sum is then print out our result, and then end of line, new line, and just add return 0. Now we can save our program and run. And run. standard std with end of line. Save it again. And you can see the prompt for the first value. I will enter 20, and prompt for the second value, I'll enter 30, and you can see the sum is 50. So this is a simple example to add two integers and print out the sum. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.